Oh, what's up, guys? And it's that time of year again. Got to do that OnePlus unboxing. Been buying OnePlus devices for as long as they have been out. Was disappointed that I couldn't make it to the Times Square event, but I had to work and I just couldn't make it. But hey, I got over there on Friday. I was able to pick one up nonetheless. But before we begin today, I almost forgot. We got the immortal, the ultimate creator, the bona fide curator of all things Marvel, pop icon Stan Lee, lucky number 7. He's going to be with us in attendance today. So let's get him open first. I might not need the trusty knife for this. Let's see. There he is. Got a nice patina. Stan Lee, sleeping in peace. Let's get another look at him. Pop icon, lucky number 7, the immortal Stan Lee, y'all. All right, let's get this unboxing going. All right, so I just want to apologize in advance. I really wanted to get the mirror gray, but I can't do that glossy back, guys. I can't do it. It's like every YouTube video, unboxing video that you see for the OnePlus 7 Pro was for the Nebula Blue. It's like they were really pushing that color, and I really wanted to do something different, but I can't get past that glossy back. I just couldn't do it, so I had to go with the Nebula Blue. In terms of specs, we got a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, 6.7-inch 2K AMOLED display. OnePlus finally got over the full HD screen and went with a 2K display. Really happy about that. Essentially a bezel-less design, no camera cutouts, nothing like that. You got a triple rear camera, 48 plus 8 plus 16 megapixels, 4,000 milliamp hour non-removable battery, fast charging capable, as you already know. UFS 3.0, 256 gigabytes of storage, 8 gigs of RAM, and of course it's running Android Pie Oxygen OS. Let's get this open. All right, so you got your clear case here, which I'm always pleased about, just in case you don't have a clear case when you first purchase the device. Got your documentation, SIM eject tool, T-Mobile SIM card, oh, cool OnePlus sticker, documentation, here's the device itself. Let's just put that to the side. So you got your Warp charger, Warp Charge 3.0. Yeah, I could tell this is a bit different. This actually looks a little bit bigger than the last one. I could be mistaken, but it does look a little bit larger. What else we got here? And you got your USB-C cable. All right, I don't want to mess this up. How do I get this out of here without destroying the whole thing. Let's see if I can pull it off. There we go. Anything else? That's it. So no USB-C to 3.5 millimeter headphone dongle with this, which is a little disappointing considering that the OnePlus 6T actually came with that dongle. I mean, I guess I could use that dongle, but if I want to sell the OnePlus 6T, obviously I'm going to want to sell it along with all the accessories that came with it. So eventually I'm going to have to spend my own money on my own USB-C to 3.5 dongle. So here's the device itself. So you see, it's got that nice blue sheen to it. The device got some heft. It definitely got some heft to it. Got that nice blue sheen. Very, very nice. See if we can zoom in a bit. All right, so let's look around this thing. So you've got what looks like your SIM card tray, USB-C port, speaker grill, a couple of microphones, volume rocker on the left side, power button and lock switch on the right side. On top, got that the mechanism for the pop-out selfie camera and what looks like another microphone. On the rear, of course, we got the triple camera setup, OnePlus insignia. That's about it. It's very, very minimal. And we got juice. Is there a screen protector on this? That's usually the first thing I check for. I gotta be honest, I can't tell if there's a screen protector on this. I mean, I read that there is, but I can't tell. I'm gonna have to find out for sure. All right, let me see if I could get this set up and I'll be right back with you guys. Looks like we're all set up. It's completing the setup. Okay. Let's take a look at that pop-up camera. So how do I switch the camera's orientation? Maybe it's this button here. Oh, there it is. And it pops up. Pops up pretty smooth too. Let's see if we can autofocus in there. Let's try that again. Yeah, you hear a little noise. This thing is supposed to be able to withstand 50 pounds of weight. I'm not willing to try it, but that's what they say. So, I don't know. So now in terms of the screen looks good. Looks like what you would expect from a Galaxy S10 or something like that. In terms of size, holding it side by side to the Galaxy S10, with its case on, so it is a little bit bigger, it's a little bit taller, but of course you have a lot more, not a lot more, but you have more screen real estate on the OnePlus because there is no camera cutout. It definitely weighs more, I can tell you that. The Galaxy S10 Plus is a very light phone in terms of thickness. Let's see. You can see, yeah, you can see the OnePlus 7 Pro is definitely thicker, that's for sure. So a bit thicker and a bit taller, but nothing ridiculous, nothing that we're not used to at this point with these phones. Okay, so it does have face unlock, so that's good. Okay, adaptive brightness is off. Screen refresh rate, 90 hertz. We forgot to mention that 90 hertz screen refresh rate. I gotta be honest with you guys. I know it's supposed to be a good thing, but maybe I haven't done enough gaming on these phones. I don't notice a difference. I don't know. I'm gonna have to like really do some comparative testing. I just don't notice the difference. I mean, I just got a Razer Phone 2. I got that on sale. That has a 120 hertz screen refresh rate, and I still don't really notice the difference. I don't know. Maybe it'll be different on an AMOLED screen. Video enhancer. Yeah, we can go with that. Theme. We love the dark theme. There we go. Much better. Accent color blue. And so you can actually change this to the standard 60 hertz if you want, if you feel like the 90 hertz refresh rate is eating up your battery too quickly. I thought there was a way, okay, display size. I thought there was a way to change your display resolution like you can on Samsung's phones, but I don't see that as an option here. So I guess it's the normal default 2K resolution from what I can see. Let's see how the speakers sound on this. Sound is amazing. Sound is like really pumping. Shout out to David Cutter, always banging the fat tracks. That's my man right there, David Cutter. So there we have it, folks. The OnePlus 7 Pro. It's impressive device. I mean, even though the back is not glossy, it looks like it's going to be a fingerprint magnet, so that's something to keep in mind. I can see the fingerprints already. Not bad, not bad. I'll put it through the paces, see what it's made of, and we'll see what happens going forward. Anyway, this is Ellsworth Theory signing off. Stan Lee says peace and love. I say peace and love. And we'll see you guys in the next video.